Hi there. Welcome to this Pixpa tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to use folders to organize and streamline your website menu. Folders are a simple but powerful way to group related galleries, pages, or links under a single menu item. This keeps your website navigation clean, professional, and easy for visitors to explore. Let's dive in. To add a folder to your site menu, go to the Website section in the Pixpa Studio. In the Website menu section, click the plus icon next to the header menu. From the pop-up, select Folder as the menu type and give it a clear, descriptive name like Portfolio or Projects. Next, decide how you want the folder to function on your website. You can choose to add it as a listing page, which opens a visually appealing grid layout displaying the folder's items. Or, you can set it as a drop-down link in your main menu. Once you've made your choice, click Save. Your new folder will now appear in your site menu, ready for further customization. Now that your folder is set up, it's time to add content. To create new items directly within the folder, click the plus Add Menu Item to the Folder button. Alternatively, you can drag and drop existing menu items, like galleries, pages, or links, into the folder. Reorganizing your folder is just as easy. Drag items within the folder to arrange them in the order you prefer. If you no longer need an item, drag it out of the folder or delete it. You can also move the entire folder anywhere in your website menu by dragging and dropping it into place. If a folder is no longer needed, deleting it is quick and easy. Click the three dots icon next to the folder and select Delete Folder. Keep in mind that deleting a folder will also delete all its contents. If you want to keep any items, move them out of the folder before deleting it. Folders give you complete flexibility to structure your menu exactly how you want, creating a smooth, intuitive experience for your visitors. And there you have it. Your folder is now set up and ready with content. In the next part of this tutorial, we'll explore how to manage your folder settings, design, and advanced options to make it work exactly the way you need. Stay with us.